So hey guys, how are you all? Sorry for the last video. The audio quality is very bad. So for this video, we are going to understand the nose anatomy and their names. So without any time wasting, let's start the video. First thing, I'm gonna draw a basic structure and this structure is attached to the skull. After that, bridge-like structure in red color. I am using different color for different bones so that it easy to understand. And below that another bone in blue color, and as you can see it has pointed and triangular structure in the front, and it is also similar to the bridge like structure. And below that another bone in pink color, and it is its front point of the nose. If you touch it you can feel it. And there is another part from the both side in green color. And I think I missed something. Yes, the glabella, the top of the nose and the center of the two eyebrows. There is a glabella, and I draw them in different layer because it is easy to understand. So let's understand their names. First we have the glabella, which is stay in between the eyebrows and top of the nose. There is a glabella. And second bone we have is nasal bone, which is kinda look like a bridge. And third bone is lateral cartilage. Fourth bone is greater alar cartilage, and the last fifth bone is fiber fatty tissue. And it's not a bone, it's a tissue. So let's put it together for better understand. First we have the glabella on the top. After that nasal bone, and third we have lateral cartilage, fourth is greater alar cartilage, and fifth is fiber fatty tissue. These all bones are attached to each other like just like a puzzle. Let's understand much better with this photo. And every bone has different name except glabella. So for nasal bone, upper half bridge, and the lateral cartilage, lower half bridge, because both are look like a bridge, and if you connect them it look like a complete bridge. And for greater alar cartilage is ball, because if you touch it you can feel it's a spongy like structure, and it doesn't have the hardness like a bone. And for fiber fatty tissue, it's called wings. I know guys, this name's much easier than before that we see, but you have to know both of them. Let's see this second photo, and you can see here is a ball and there is wings from the both side. And in third photo you can see the center line of the ball, means greater alar cartilage. And there is nose bridge, and in the end there is maxilla. Maxilla is just a side part of the bridge, nose bridge, that we call a maxilla. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And sorry for the last video, the audio quality. So see you in the next video. Take care.